Hello everybody and welcome to my update for Tropical Cyclone Mangga. As you can see, this is where it's at right now. This is around 18Z right now. So this is where it's at, and then 24C, or no, not 24C, but 6C, which is 12. Hold on. 12 hours from now, it's gonna be like right here. This thing is moving extremely fast. It's moving at 44 knots, which is roughly around 50 miles an hour. So this thing is really booking it here towards Australia. With this projection, it looks like it's gonna make landfall between Learmonth and Perth. So we'll see what happens. But from this Joint Typhoon Prediction Center, it's only showing about a 40 knot storm, which is about 45 mile per hour winds that are going to be hitting on shore. Now, I'm going to be taking a look at the GFS here, and it shows some really weird things. So let's go take a look at it right now. All right, so this is where it's at right now, as 986 millibars of pressure, and you can see these isotherms are starting to get tightly wrapped around the center here. So let's go out through time, see what happens. 971, 959. That is a pretty potent storm. I don't know why the Joint Typhoon Prediction Center isn't picking up on this, but that it may not be tropical anymore. I think that's why they're not picking up on this. I think it might be post-tropical at this point in time. But 959 is a Cat 3 cyclone for all intents and purposes. That is a Cat 3 cyclone. So let's go farther in time. Alright, let's take a look. It's like right on the southern tip there, the southwestern tip. So let's go see where that correlates to. So it looks like it'd be striking about just southwest of Perth by the looks of things. That doesn't mean Perth isn't going to see some very good winds and rainfall out of this. This is kind of wind that you should be bringing stuff inside, try to get them secured and away from getting blown away. Maybe board up your windows, because this is 962 millibars is a pretty powerful storm. And what this correlates to and what this correlates to is completely different than what it's showing here on the GFS. And GFS is usually good for picking up tropical weather. Let's go out time. 963. And then let's see where that's at. I would say here in about 48 hours, the weather in at least the western and southwestern sides of Australia should be clearing up at that time. So it's gonna be a rough 36 hours for you guys over there in Perth. So yeah, just keep your eyes to the sky and pay attention to what's going on out there. Board up your windows, take all of your proper precautions to negate any damages that this storm might cause. And that's pretty much all I can tell you. And if they tell you to evacuate, evacuate. That's all I can really say. Alright, let's take a look at the radar here. As you can see, this is all spread out. This isn't your typical look of a cyclone or a tropical system out in the oceans. So I think what this is just the wind shear is kicking in with it, and it's spreading out the cloud cover. So I don't know which one's going to be right, whether it's the Joint Typhoon Prediction Center or the GFS. I mean, we're just going to have to wait and see what happens. But I'm going to keep my eyes on it. and I'm gonna give you guys the latest details as much as I can. And tomorrow at morning or afternoon, I'm gonna have another update on this. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching and have a nice day.